Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into essential money management tips for Uber drivers. Whether you're just starting out or have been driving for a while, these tips will help you maximize your earnings and save more money. Being an Uber driver can be a great way to earn extra income, but it's important to be smart about managing your money. With the fluctuating price of gas, vehicle maintenance, and taxes, it's easy to lose track of your earnings if you're not careful. That's why in this video I'm sharing my top 10 money management tips for Uber drivers. These tips are designed to help you keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket and achieve your financial goals. So buckle up and let's get started. The most crucial aspect of succeeding as an Uber driver is knowing where your money is going. It's not just about the income you generate, but understanding your expenses down to the last dollar. Every time you fill up your gas tank, every oil change, every parking fee, these all eat into your profits. By logging every expense, you gain a clear picture of your true earnings. This isn't just about being organized, it's about making informed decisions. Tracking your expenses is essential for tax purposes and deductions. Now that you're tracking every dollar, it's time to create a realistic budget tailored for Uber drivers. Your income can fluctuate depending on factors like time of day of the week, and special events. Start by calculating your average weekly or monthly income based on your driving history. Be conservative with your estimates, as it's always better to be pleasantly surprised than caught off guard. Categorize your expenses into fixed expenses like car payments, insurance and phone bills, and variable expenses like gas, maintenance, and tolls. Allocate every dollar you earn to a specific category. This might sound restrictive, but it's incredibly freeing. Knowing exactly where your money is going eliminates financial anxiety and allows you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. For example, if you're overspending on eating out, set a realistic budget for restaurant meals and explore more affordable alternatives like packing your own lunches. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices with your money. One of the biggest advantages of being an Uber driver is the ability to claim significant tax deductions. But you need to keep accurate records of your mileage. Mileage tracking apps become your new best friend, using your phone's GPS to automatically log your miles driven for business purposes. Apps like Mile IQ or Stride make tracking your mileage effortless. The IRS offers a standard mileage deduction rate, which allows you to deduct a specific amount for every mile driven for business purposes. This deduction can significantly reduce your taxable income, putting more money back in your pocket. Imagine driving an average of 1,000 miles per month for Uber. With the standard mileage deduction, that could translate to thousands of dollars in deductions each year. You can only claim those deductions if you have accurate mileage records to back them up. Using a mileage tracking app is non-negotiable for any serious Uber driver. Chapter 4. Tax hacks for Uber drivers. Deductions you need to know. Taxes can be confusing, especially for independent contractors like Uber drivers. But there's a silver lining. As an Uber driver, you're eligible for a slew of tax deductions that can significantly reduce your tax liability. We already talked about the mileage deduction, but there are several others that often get overlooked. You can deduct expenses related to your vehicle, such as depreciation, insurance, repairs, and even car washes. You can also deduct expenses related to your phone, such as your monthly bill, and the portion of your data plan used for Uber driving. Don't forget about tolls, parking fees, and even the water bottles you provide for your passengers. These can all be legitimate business expenses. Consider consulting with a tax professional who specializes in gig economy workers to ensure you're taking advantage of every deduction you're entitled to. Maximizing your deductions means keeping more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Chapter 5. Drive smarter, not harder. Strategic scheduling for Uber drivers. Your time is literally money. Be strategic about your driving schedule to maximize your earnings. Driving during peak hours and in high-demand areas can make a significant difference in your income. The Uber Driver app provides real-time data on surge pricing, indicating areas with high demand and higher fares. By paying attention to surge pricing and planning your driving schedule accordingly, you can significantly boost your earnings. Be mindful of events happening in your city. Check local event calendars for concerts, conferences, or festivals, as these events often lead to a surge in demand for ride-sharing services. By positioning yourself near these events, you can capitalize on the increased demand and earn more money. Driving smarter, not harder, is key to maximizing your earnings as an Uber driver. Utilize the tools available to you and make the most of your time on the road. Chapter 6. Your car is your business. The importance of vehicle maintenance. Your car is your office on wheels, your money-making machine. Regular servicing not only prevents costly repairs down the line, but also keeps your car running efficiently, saving you money on gas. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections are essential for keeping your car in optimal condition and preventing unexpected breakdowns. Paying attention to the little things like keeping your tires properly inflated, changing your air filter regularly, and getting regular car washes can also improve your gas mileage and extend the life of your vehicle. A well-maintained car is a safe car. Regular maintenance ensures that your brakes are working correctly, your tires have good tread, and all the essential components of your car are in good working order. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're driving a safe and reliable vehicle. A clean, well-maintained car reflects professionalism and shows your passengers that you take pride in your work. Make vehicle maintenance a top priority, and your car will thank you for it. Chapter 7. The Unexpected Breakdown Fund. Why every Uber driver needs this. As an Uber driver, unexpected car troubles are not a matter of if, but when. No matter how well you maintain your vehicle, breakdowns can and do happen. That's why it's essential to have a dedicated emergency fund specifically for car repairs. Imagine this scenario. You're in the middle of a busy Friday night driving passengers around and making good money. Suddenly your car starts making a strange noise and your engine light comes on. You're forced to end your driving shift early and get your car towed to the mechanic. Now, you're faced with an unexpected repair bill, and you're out of commission until your car is fixed. If you don't have an emergency fund set aside, this situation can quickly spiral into a financial nightmare. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up, including your car payment, insurance, and an estimate for potential repair costs. Having this emergency fund provides peace of mind knowing that you are financially prepared for unexpected car troubles. Chapter 8. Gas Guzzler. No more fuel-efficient driving tips. With fluctuating gas prices, prioritize fuel efficiency. Simple habits can improve gas mileage. Avoid aggressive driving, sudden acceleration, and hard braking waste fuel. Practice smooth acceleration and anticipate stops. Maintain a steady speed. Idling wastes fuel. Turn off your engine if waiting. Check tire pressure regularly to reduce rolling resistance. Implement these tips to save on gas and increase earnings. Chapter 9. Protect your hustle. Do you need rideshare insurance? As an Uber driver, you're at a higher risk of accidents. Uber provides some liability coverage, but it's essential to understand its limitations. Uber's insurance varies depending on your status. Once you've accepted a ride, coverage increases. With a passenger, Uber's policy provides the highest coverage. Personal auto insurance may not cover Uber accidents. Rideshare insurance fills coverage gaps, providing extra protection. Contact your agent to discuss your options. Chapter 10. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversifying your income. Relying solely on Uber driving can be risky. What if Uber changes its pay structure, or you're unable to drive? Diversify your income streams. The gig economy offers many opportunities. Sign up with other ride-sharing platforms like Lyft or Via. Explore food delivery services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub. Diversifying creates a safety net and reduces reliance on a single income source. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Drive safe and manage your money wisely. Remember, being an Uber driver can be a great way to earn extra income, but it's important to be smart about your finances. By implementing the tips we've discussed today, you can maximize your earnings, minimize your expenses, and achieve your financial goals. So, get out there, drive safe, and make that money.